Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. Today we're going to be taking advantage of the abundance of lovely berries around the summertime with a dessert made of flaky pastry and zesty berries. To make this pastry dessert, we're going to be using store-bought puff pastry, which we've just opened up onto a flour surface. And then we're going to proportion it and cut it up into rectangles. And then we're just going to cut it into about 15 little rectangles. And now I have a floured tray that I'm going to be placing my pastry in. And we're now going to put this into a preheated oven of 180 degrees, and we're going to bake it for about 15 minutes. While our pastry is baking, let me take you through the rest of the ingredients. In this bowl, I have whipped fresh cream with some icing sugar and a little bit of vanilla. So we have a vanilla cream. And here I'm going to be using strawberries and blueberries, and I'm going to be cutting them into this bowl with a little bit of lemon juice and icing sugar. So it helps bring out the tartness, which is really exciting for bringing out how berry delicious this pastry is going to be. So we're going to cut the strawberries into our dish here. And we're going to leave the blueberries whole. And while that's happening, let's just quickly cut our lemon so that we can fill the juice in and it can marinate in this sweet juice of lemon and icing sugar. And let's carry on cutting the rest of our berries. So our puff pastry has baked and has cooled, and we're now getting ready to slice it in half so that we can fill it and enjoy it. So I've now cut up my pastry and we are ready to begin assembling. We start by putting in some of this fresh cream on the lower. And of course you can put in as much cream as you like. And we'll top up this with these delicious marinated berries. Just being careful to keep it in. Of course you can use other berries as well. And you can even use nuts to make it more interesting. And then we will cover it with the top. Alright, we're going to now finish it off with a dusting of icing sugar.